Bestie, have you voted for Sukuluva? Ha ha ha. Saze sa votela uSukuluva. I did. Every video, every comment, you guys are just like sweet Guluva, vote for sweet Guluva. Hi gorgeous. Have you heard about sweet Guluva? On the videos that are trending, it's find a reason to vote for sweet Guluva. And reason did well. Please vote for. Don't forget to vote for sweet Guluva, guys. Like even in this video, there are going to be people commenting, vote for sweet Guluva. I know.
Bantu baga sweet Guluva. Abanye bethu asibheki Big Brother. Asibheki sesimazi ngo sweet Guluva ngoba niyasidina kuma comments enu. And you are ruining his or her chances because seniyasidina. Honestly, niyasidina. Nifana nalaba abathi I used to be like this, and thanks to Sister Sbanbani for helping me. You are messing up with our chances galo sweet Guluva wenu because we cannot deal with njalo mas poster send is forced out si vote lo sweet Guluva lo wenu. Uyogcina ngawinanga lo sweet Guluva wenu because of nina. Nishelila la si right. We don't watch Big Brother, some of us asibheki. So stop it in my comments, guys. Stop it.